Good morning, everyone. This is Neil. I just wanted to go over the bblearn course a little bit with you all. So this is the home page. If you click on this section from your courses, it should bring it up right here. If you have not yet, I want you to make sure to go download a syllabus, go through that. And I kind of want to just give a little bit of a tour because the majority of our work will be done together here. It's my goal that if you feel at all uncomfortable coming to campus, that everyone should be able to perform this entire class online. So what that means for the physical space of the classroom, I will be there starting next Tuesday, but for the most part, that space will be dictated by those who come in. It will be much more fluid if there are concepts you're dealing with or you just need to troubleshoot technology. These are the things that we'll be working on as we meet together face to face. Obviously, in that situation, you will still need to be doing, have a negative COVID test. You need to wear a face covering. But for the most part, I want it to be possible for everyone to do anything in this class based off of just our shared bblearn site. So, again, if you have not downloaded the syllabus, please do that. So, the majority of the work we're going to be doing is going to be done in these sections. It's broken up into 4 modules. Let's see, module 1. So, each module is organized so that it opens with what the goals of this unit will be. There will be sections that have like the course schedule, the assignment sheet. So everything is going to be graded on a scale of 1 to 3 or 0 to 3. 0 will only go to assignments that I have not turned in or have not been turned in to me. Because everything is based on a pass, no pass in this class, there's 3 grades you can get. You can either pass, obviously, get an N, which is a no pass, which does not affect your GPA, but means that you do have to take English 101 again, or you can fail, in which you have multiple missing assignments, major essays, like you have to have 3 out of 4 in. So almost everyone in this course will be getting either an N or a P. It really is just if there is major attendance issues or outstanding assignments. So because of that, everything correlates to either 1, fail, 2, not pass, or 3, pass. All grades are going to be done in that rubric. So, our first unit will be focusing on a long-form nonfiction essay. I have posted Notes of a Native Son by James Baldwin and Meat by Anthony Bourdain. There's descriptions of both of these in the announcements page, which again can be found up to the top. First thing here, I'll just jump over there really quickly. So this is where I'm going to be doing the vast majority of my communication with you. It's really going to be important that you're checking this a couple times a week. In this second section, the more about high flex, this is where I talk about the differences between James Baldwin and the Anthony Bourdain essay. You are not required to read both of them. I just want you to familiarize yourself. Be aware of them. I picked James Baldwin because it feels very of this moment, especially in light of Black Lives Matter protests that are happening all over the country. And so if that's something that you're interested in and grappling with, I want this to be available. But there is no, effectively you can choose whichever piece you would like to deal with, though both are available for your reading. I'm going to be posting these videos in the Access Module 1 in-class materials. I'm going to just link these I'll probably also try to put them up in the announcements page itself, but we'll see if my technology cooperates. This section down here is going to be where we have all of the unit assignments. And so every module is structured in the same way. And so the way you're going to access these is you're going to, there's a brief description that's here. Click it and it will open a new tab. And my computer is still taking some time. And so in order to do this quiz, you're going to click just click begin and jump in. So you'll notice this, all of the assignments that I have on bblearn are going to allow you to take multiple attempts. My goal in this is I am less concerned about one-time memorization. I'm much more concerned about you having the opportunity to revise and to grow and to develop your arguments. So every assignment in this course is going to be open to multiple attempts. It will just switch it to whatever your highest grade is. This goes for quizzes like this, but it also goes for other assignments like the know, want to know, and learn assignment that you will be uploading as a .doc. So you should be able to always do these assignments in terms like in a separate .doc, and then you'll want to browse your computer and attach the file, and then submit it, and that will give me everything I need for this. So this is basically how, and it always has the due dates attached here. This is basically how all of the coursework in this class together is going to work. If there are any other questions, feel free to email me. I just wanted to make sure that we had gone over this a little bit together and seen the way that it's going to be working. Most everything is going to really just be communicating. I'm going to be communicating with you through announcements, and then all of our coursework is going to be in these module folders that I will be updating as we move. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, both the quiz and this KWL worksheet are due Thursday, August 27th. I will be posting announcements pretty weekly that will include what you need to be reading by what point, and any upcoming assignments that will be due. So again, it is very important that you keep an eye on the announcements folder. All right. If there's anything that, additionally, I've talked about this a little bit, I believe, in one of the things I've sent you. These kind of mini lectures of going through the bblearn screencast like this is going to be it's going to be part of how I substitute for in-person lectures. It just feels like a better, less unwieldy way of communicating. And so if there are concepts that you are struggling with in the book, feel free to email me, and I'm more than happy to make one of these lectures for you and post this for the entire class so that I can have a better idea of where areas of difficulty are. All right. Happy Tuesday, and I hope the beginning of your semester is off to as good of a start as it can be. All right.